Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy. I'm on a journey to become debt free. Welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome to my old subscribers. I love all of you guys so much for the support you guys have gave me. Oh my goodness. I am a little bit upset because I already had a video I had recorded a few days ago regarding my saving challenges, and I had shared with you guys cute little tip that I got at work, which was so cute. It was like some folded money. I have it upstairs. I'm just not in the mood to bring it now and show you guys in a huge coin, like a $1 coin. But anyways, I have no idea how I deleted the video, and I didn't notice until I was going to save the video on iMovie and have it ready to post it today. And I'm like, oh my goodness, like what? So there's that. But I do have some money that I have left over as like extra. And so I was like, you know what? Screw it. Let me just do this. Okay. So I'm not exactly sure how much it is. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So $121. We have $121 to work with, guys. Oh my gosh, I have officially ordered my cash tray, you guys. I am so excited. I miss my cash tray. Also, I thought I was going to have my little divider for my little budget planner, but it has not arrived, you guys. I am so sad. I don't know if it's gonna make it on time. Like, it's just, I messaged the seller, but she has not responded, so I have no idea. It says it's been shipped. I looked. It says it's been shipped, but I don't see it being shipped. Like, it doesn't say anything else. It just looked like they have basically just only printed out the labels. So I don't know what to do. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do Let's Get This Bread volume number 2 for $9. All right, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness. Can you believe Christmas is already Tuesday? What? Less than what? 4 days? Like less than 4 days. Oh my gosh. That is just crazy. I cannot believe it's already like Christmas, guys. I remember we were just talking about, oh my gosh, Christmas almost here. Like this year, if it's not, I'm sure it's not just me, but this year, it just flew by. It flew by. Okay, I'm gonna skip this one. I will do this one. This one, I created this one for myself and for some of the giveaway, like little giveaways that I do. And this one is my icon for $10. So I'm gonna go ahead and stuff $10 on this one. I will save 90. You can make it however you want it. 5, 2, 20. So yeah, okay. And then the cherry challenge is $100 on this one. So we're going to go ahead and stuff the $15 because that's the least amount. So I've told myself, if you guys been following me, I just recently told myself that I'm gonna start off with the highest number and work my way down. So when I finish, I feel like, oh my gosh, I only need $5 to complete it. You know, instead of be like, oh my gosh, I only need $20. You know, it's gonna change the game for sure for me. All right, awesome. So next, it's the little saving challenge from Taylor. A little bit. This one is gonna go towards my Christmas for next year, which I have started already. It's only this one. Let me get this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not so excited today because I'm very disappointed of me losing my content video. But, you know, stuff happened and that's okay. All right, guys. We're going to stop $5 on this one. But it does get me so sad because I was so excited. I was sharing stuff with you guys and, you know, the above. I don't even know what else I was talking to you guys about. And I was like, yes. And then now I'm like, oh, bummer. Oh, so in that video, guys, I did completed 2 challenges, okay? I can tell you that for sure. I completed 2 challenges. So, you know, that makes me so upset because you guys were not able to see that. So, yeah. Okay. Woo, $40 on this one is the highest. So we're going to go ahead and do $40. I'm excited though because this one will save me $250. So, hey, that's okay. I usually don't do high numbers, but I've noticed that the higher it is, the better in a way. It will take me longer because I am a low income for now. Hopefully that changes later on. But yeah, so that money right there will make a huge difference when I complete it because, you know, it's a great amount towards my debt. But I've noticed that bigger number does get you bigger amount. Does take a little longer to do, but that's okay. But I'm excited though to finish that one. Okay. Next, I have the little mail fund for $5. This will be my funds for all year next year. It's not a lot. It's like $100. It's not a lot. So when I complete it, I have to definitely challenge myself on knowing what I want because no more bad spending. Well, that's just me trying to, you know, trying to discipline myself. Okay, I'm very out of control when it comes to spending money, even money that I don't have. You know, literally, I'm being so serious. Okay, guys, this one will be $15. I'm so sad that I only have ones now, but that's okay. This one will save me $150. Are you guys excited for Christmas? Let me know if you're excited for Christmas. Have you finished wrapping your gifts? That's the thing. Have you guys finished wrapping your gift? We finished buying the Christmas presents, but we have not wrapped them. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the bad thing. We have not wrapped the Christmas gift, you guys. And we already had them for the longest. And we have not wrapped them. That's not good, right? Oh my gosh. We have never really been that late or behind until this year, which is okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, I need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more to complete this one and it will save me $150. Yes. So exciting. Okay, next. I don't know how much I have, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have 22. So let's do the 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah. Let's do the 18. Don't mind the kiddos, guys. It is Saturday. They're home. Well, Eric is now officially out of school and he's on Christmas break. Oh, yeah. It has officially started in this house. So he's excited. Little brother's excited because now he can have more time with Big brother. So, yes. Life be life and like that, okay? Nah, just kidding. Okay, great. I think that money now I'm going to put it on the one that... Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to complete this one. And this is for 200. Oh, see, you see how excited it is to have bigger challenges? Oh my gosh. I mean, it's harder to do it, but it's definitely exciting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I want to get my nails done already. Like, look, this one like chipped and one of those were lifting, but I can't. So, and I don't want to have an IOU. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 $4. So I'm going to put it in here. You guys already know me. This is my little saving challenge of IOUs, right? It's my little saving challenges of IOU. So it's going to save me from having IOUs. And this one is going to be my second attempt for 351. And I am so excited because, oh, it's a good amount of money. It will take me longer, but it's a good amount of money. All right, guys, there you have it. Something different. Not prepared for this cash shopping because I was hoping to post the other one, but apparently I deleted it. So yeah. Hope you guys have a great weekend. So excited to see all the new setups for 2025 for all of you guys. Everybody's talking about it like, oh my gosh, I'm ready for it, this and that. So I'm ready to see y'all. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put this. So I'm excited for you guys to see your new goals and everything else. Yeah, 2025 is going to be a good year for sure. We're going to come in strong. Okay, let me take a thumbnail first of all. Where do I take a thumbnail at? Should I do a thumbnail on the cherry? Let's do a thumbnail on the cherry. Okay. All right, guys. So, okay, I'm excited to see y'all. And yeah, all right, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. I love you.